warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Satwas Pandi from College TI24 Today, I'm excited to introduce Kopi Kita, a premium Indonesian coffee brand that reimagines your daily coffee ritual with purpose and connection. Next, the global coffee market is massive, over $460 billion in 2023. But coffee is more than just a drink. It's a moment, ritual. Kopi Kita bring the soul of Indonesian coffee to life, creating meaningful moment one cup at a time. Our story. The name Kopi Kita means our coffee in Indonesia. It represents self-position and togetherness from farmer to customer. We were founded in 2020 with a mission to bring the authentic taste of Indonesian coffee loved everywhere. Next, quality and stability. We use only 100% Arabica beans, grow at over 1,500 meters above sea level. Each coffee cherry is hand-picked and sun-dried naturally. Roasting is done in small batches in California to look in fake flavor. All our partner farms reinforce aliency certified. Next, your coffee blend. Kopi Kita offers 3 unique blends: signature blend, medium roast, chocolate, and caramel notes, smooth and blends. Sumatra Mandeli, dark roast, blood, earthy with spicy dip. Bali Kintamani, light roast, gray, citrus, and floral aroma. Available with first bean, grown, and coffee lemon drip flakes. Next slide. The Kopi Kita experience. What makes Kopi Kita special? A rich, inviting aroma, a smooth, low-acid taste, an energizing boost without the jitters. Perfect for your morning ritual or afternoon break. And next, with premium quality and sustainability scoring, Kopi Kita is more than just coffee. It's a moment for better coffee and a better impact. Less tasty connection. Thank you.